The electrical wholesale market is busy and demanding. Things happen fast. Products and answers are needed quickly. With years of experience working with national chains, buying groups and independents, we know what you need to keep your customers happy.
The secret to the success of this company has got to be customer services.
The quality of service is to do with not just the product, it's to do with the whole package, the pricing, the delivery, the response times.
So you can deliver for your customers, we hold millions of pounds of stock for all industries, EV, renewables and more, all ready to be cut to length and shipped for next day delivery by our own modern fleet.
They need something done today, we can get it done today.
Our relationship is with you, not your customer. And we do more than just supply cables, with technical support and services designed to help you deliver compliant solutions. The rigorous testing in our cable lab gives you trust in the products we supply.
So the cable lab's here to test cables before they get to our customers. We check what requirements that cable should meet, we test it in-house, and then we supply it to our customers. So there's a range of tests that we can do within the cable lab. You never want any cable to fail. Even in the lab, we don't want anything to fail. But when something does fail, we've captured it, we've found it, we've stopped it going out.
At Eland Cables, our service and quality doesn't cost more. It's just the way we do things.
They need instant answers, instant prices, instant stock, then instant delivery. And that is what they get from the wholesale team.
Eland Cables, a tailored service on a global scale.